Welcome to a revolutionary way to sculpt your body at home with the Maderoterapia Ice Massage Kit. Each heart-shaped handle is meticulously carved by hand to ensure absolute personalization and care in every single piece. This innovative silver toolset utilizes the power of cold therapy to help contour and firm your silhouette naturally. Feel the refreshing metal glide smoothly across your skin to awaken your senses and boost circulation. It is designed to elevate your daily self-care routine into a spa-like experience. Enjoy a revitalizing massage that leaves you looking and feeling your absolute best. Transform your wellness journey today and discover the ultimate secret to radiant confidence. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.